Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to unbox the DJI Mic Mini. It's a wireless microphone system that's compact and lightweight and delivers a crystal clear audio with minimal effort. I will also show you how to connect it with your iPhone and how to change some settings to get a pro level recording setup. So let's get started to the video. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. Everything is neatly packed in this handy carrying pouch. It comes with camera audio cable, USB-C charging cable, 4 windscreens, mobile phone adapter, and clip-on magnets. We get 2 transmitters, 1 receiver and the compact charging case. You can charge this case with Type-C charging cable. The transmitters are ultra light, weighing just 10 grams each. They are so discreet, you can clip them on your shirt or even attach them with a magnet. Now let's connect it with the iPhone and see some settings in the app. To change the settings of receiver and transmitter, we need to download the DJI Mimo app. First, to connect this mic via Bluetooth to your phone, turn on the Bluetooth. Power on the transmitter by holding it for 2 seconds. Then press the linking button for 2 seconds until the light becomes green and blue. It means it is in pairing mode now. In Bluetooth, you can see the DJI Mic Mini and connect it. Now open the DJI Mimo app and tap Connect. Here you can change some of its settings. The auto off setting, when enabled, transmitter will be automatically powered off in 15 minutes if not being connected to save power. Next is the power button for noise cancellation. When the power button for noise cancellation is enabled, you can press the power button on transmitter to reduce noise. When the mic LED button is turned off, the light on the transmitter will turn off. you can also turn them on. Now tap the exit button to disconnect the transmitter. Next, if you want to change the settings of receiver, first turn off the receiver if it is on. Then press and hold the power button for 6 seconds. Then the light should start blinking in blue. Open the Mimo app and tap connect. If you have enabled the noise cancellation from the transmitter, then it will enable the basic noise cancellation mode. If you want, you can change it to strong depending around the noise around you. Next is audio channel. When switched to mono, you will get one audio channel. But if you are using two transmitters when given to two different people, then you can switch to stereo mode, where you will get two different audio channels, which becomes easy while editing. Safety track is disabled when audio channel is stereo and enabled in mono mode, to use in post-production software and separate audio tracks later. Next is the low cut. When enabled, it removes unwanted frequencies from audio signal and add clarity. When auto off is enabled, the receiver will automatically powered off in 15 minutes if not being connected to save power. Auto on off with camera helps you to power on or off mic and camera simultaneously. Clipping control helps you automatically adjust higher volumes to avoid any clipping. So, these are the settings that you can control from the DJI Mimo app. The DJI Mic Mini captures rich, detail-filled sound with omnidirectional recording. With its two-level noise cancellation and automatic limiting, you will get professional-grade sound every time. Here's a quick demo. This is the voice I'm recording from iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the voice I'm recording from DJI Mic Mini with basic noise cancellation turned on. This is the voice I'm recording from DJI Mic Mini with strong noise cancellation turned on. It offers up to 48 hours of battery life with the case, quick 5-minute charges and stable transmission up to 400 meters. And that's it about the DJI Mic Mini. I even show you how to connect it with your iPhone and do the changes in settings in the DJI Mimo app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you for watching.